This is the light that I was telling you about. I'm trying to get there's the name tag there. Pulling away some. You can see the light's in good shape. There's no bites or nicks or anything else on the blades. Nice and shiny. I'm going to go to the switch and turn it on now so you can see that it operates. Find the switch without electrocuting myself. There's the switch and there it goes. I believe it's a 2-speed, but I can't read. Yeah, I can. It's trying to speed up some, I hope. Yeah, that's fast. Okay, there we go. That's the reverse switch there on the right side. See, it's slowing down some. Come on. Slowing down some more. So that's the little beastie, and it does work. And I hope you like it. We'll talk about particulars on it later if you like. Thank you very much, and have a good day.